We are Helios and Vesta. We are the solar logos, which means we oversee the Earth and its evolvement from a solar level while encouraging and tutoring solar masters and those who work within our solar system. The Earth and its humanity are all connected to the solar level of the Creator's universe, but this doesn't mean that they are fully integrated or have mastered the teachings of the solar level. In the Earth's history, we see that many civilizations worship the sun. Those beings were working to integrate with their solar level energies and manifestation of themselves. Their praise and honor of the sun was simply a result of the transitions that were occurring within. They were worshipping the sun because they knew that the sun held profound wisdom from the solar level, and so it was their way of accepting the wisdom and integrating with the solar level light. You can also gain wisdom from the sun in order to aid your spiritual path through a simple intention of connection and acceptance. We use the sun as our symbol because it is so very bright. At the solar level, it is our mission to increase your luminosity, assisting you in expressing your light as well as comprehending light. Luminous light vibrations shower onto your path and into your being. We wish to fill your reality with light so that you may feel the joy of holding the light and using it in your daily reality. Light is essential to your entire existence on the Earth. You are composed of light. Your body needs light to survive. Even your happiness can depend on the volume of light that you hold. Light is actually the result of continuous connection with the Creator. When your life is filled with light, it signifies that your life and being is immersed in the energy of the Creator, and you are constantly focusing upon your divine and sacred connection with the universe and source of the Creator. Light can bring active energies to your being, allowing you to jump with joy, achieving more things in your reality. It is essential for your life to be filled with light, because it will allow for all stagnant energies to be dissolved, meaning that old energies are let go of. With the presence of greater light, you are naturally protected, and any form of darkness that enters into your reality, or is created by you, is dissolved instantly. With all the transitions that are occurring on the Earth, and within your being, you are using up much energy and therefore must replace it more often with the presence of light. Some people are feeling sluggish and lethargic at this time of ascension because of the numerous energy shifts, but we wish to fill you with light so that you enhance and empower your being, with the ability to achieve and do all that you wish and feel guided to do at this sacred time. It is also our mission to dissolve limitations, allowing you to be an expansive being of light. We will achieve this by dissolving many fears that are hindering you from radiating your light brightly and powerfully. We see you as a magnificent light bulb, but you are using your dimmer switch when you should be allowing your light to exist at its natural state of radiance. We wish to work with you to allow your light to shine brightly, your energy vibration to increase, and your trust in the power of your light to develop. We, Helios and Vesta, exist as the masculine and feminine energy of our soul. You could say that we are twins, two aspects of the same soul. We exist in this way to demonstrate that the two powerful energies of the Creator are equal and can shift from being one to separate at will. Many of the solar level teachings concern exploring the masculine and feminine energies, understanding them and in which energy one should place their focus. We therefore exist as examples of the feminine and masculine vibrations of the Creator's soul at a solar level. We wish to share with you that both aspects, feminine and masculine, that both hold tremendous power and light. We almost hold a mirror up to each aspect of the Creator, the feminine and masculine, to bring unity, seeing each aspect as the same in essence. When one is becoming a solar master, they must delve into their feminine and masculine aspects with incredible depth to gain a greater understanding of themselves and their truth. When we, Helios and Vesta, exist at higher vibrations of the Creator's universe, studying or developing our own growth, we are seen as one soul of magnificence luminosity. The solar level holds the symbolic light colors of a copper-gold color. This is to demonstrate the solar level's integration with the universal levels and beyond, as well as the presence of the Christ consciousness. Luminosity is the main purpose of the solar level, as well as aiding activations and energizing or enhancing growth or experiences. After you have become a planetary master, whether on the Earth or the inner planes, it is a wonderful process to then connect more fully with the solar light and to allow your energies and light vibration to soar and expand beyond limitations. It gives the soul a great sense of freedom in which to grow naturally. When we teach students of the solar level, we speak much about focus rather than practices, because we know that when they simply use the power of their focus alone, they can achieve much, enabling them to begin a wonderful journey of discovery. The anchoring of light or acceptance of light is extremely important because it enables a tremendous healing process. If one is in a physical body, then they can bring great vitality, activeness, and life to their physical body and its abilities. We so wish for you to understand that even on the earth the teachings of the solar level are extremely important. If you can fill yourself with light, anchor so much light into your being, then you would gradually free yourself from pain or illness, dissolve all negative things in your life, decrease all negative and unneeded habits that you hold, and gain a positive, bubbly, focused and aware outlook on your reality and being. Essentially, the more light you fill your being and reality with, the more aware, connected and at one with the Creator you will become. We do encourage students to connect with the Creator in order to absorb light, but we also believe that by absorbing light from guides or the solar level, one actually finds the source of the Creator and the truth that the Creator holds naturally, as the influence of the light is alignment, balance, and awakening. Our teachings are extremely simple after the challenges of the earth and the planetary level, but this is natural, as the more you integrate with the Creator's light, the simpler your focus becomes. We also believe that self-exploration and Creator exploration can only truly be guided by the individual soul. So too much guidance can restrict the freedom that the soul needs in order to develop and shine as brightly as the sun. This may sound impossible, but it can be achieved with ease. The solar level light holds an element of fiery determination which can offer courage and confidence as one focuses upon discovering many new truths. The element of fiery determination extends from a source of warming, tender love which is held at the very source of the solar level of the Creator's universe. You can ask to be connected to the solar core energy to experience this tremendous loving energy. We are here as bright loving beacons of light to assist you in manifesting into the same, your unique and magnificent perfection. We encourage you to energize your reality, spiritual path, being and soul by anchoring as much light as feel appropriate into your being throughout the day. Fill your life with light and you will notice the tremendous difference in your feelings, mood, actions, reactions, and spiritual practices. Now is a time on the earth when we must be so aware of our own energies and our spiritual journey. It is important that you maintain a high level of light within your being so that you have enough energy and power to achieve all that you need to, remaining balanced and aligned at all times. By calling upon the solar level light to anchor and flow throughout your being during meditation, you will rapidly increase your light quotient and allow yourself to move closer to the soul of the Creator in numerous ways. Holding the light will allow for your journey forward to be one of greater ease. We are Helios and Vesta, and we are here to be of assistance.